This is my ripped patio screen, and in this video, I'll show you how to replace patio screen. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. You will need the following tools for this project: a utility knife, a small screwdriver, measuring tape, a roller tool, which has a concave end and a convex end, these metal clips, some flat spline. Here's a piece I cut off to make sure that it was the right spline, and 10 feet roll of mesh. I'll have all the links in the description below. Step 2. Remove your old screen. You will need to use a small screwdriver to help you remove the spline. It may even be easier if you use a hook tool like this if you have one. Once you get the spline started, use your hands and pull it out of the way. Step 3. You can use a screwdriver and remove the old ripped screen in the groove. Step 4. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Step 5. Continue to remove the spline on the other remaining sides. You may need to cut the spline in places where it goes to the other section of the screen area that you're not replacing. Then remove the remaining spline. Step 6. You will also need to cut the mesh to separate from the other sections, then pull it off. At the very end, you may need to cut the spline off if it's connected like mine. Step 7. Measure your opening. Mine appears to be about 80.5 inches, but I'll give it a few more inches and make my measurement at 84 inches. Measure the vertical dimension as well. Mine will be cut out 67 inches. Step 8. Lay out the roller of mesh and measure out the dimensions required. In my case, it's 84 inches. Then use a utility knife to make the cut. Step 9. Start with the top and use the clips to hold the screen in place. Work your way all the way across. After doing the top, I did the right side and then the left side with the clips. Step 10. Lay out the spline next to a measuring tape and cut the required length needed. Next, use the convex end of the roller tool and roll the mesh into the grooves. Step 11. Thread the spline through the couple of the clips and push it into the groove by hand first. Then use the concave end of the roller and use some force to roll the spline into the grooves. When you get to the clip, remove it. Continue to do this on the uprights. I first did the left side and then I did the right side. Finally, I did the bottom. I installed the clips and pushed the flat spline into the groove. Step 12. Take a utility knife and start trimming the access mesh. Careful not to cut over the new mesh that you just installed. After cutting the mesh off, you may find a spot where the spline isn't all the way into the groove. Just take the roller and roll it back in. That's it. I was pretty impressed doing this for the first time, how well it turned out. Good luck and let me know how it turns out.